In this exercise, we are going to create this video. New composition. I'm gonna set the duration to 9 seconds. Okay. Right click, import file. I go exercise 34 and I'm gonna select all the files. Click on import. First thing, I'm gonna select the ocean video, drag and drop here. And I'm gonna bring the ocean picture next, the ocean image, drag and drop here. I'm gonna put the playhead at 3 seconds, select both layers, and I'm gonna make the layers 3 seconds long. I'm gonna press shift and make it snap here. Next, I move to the forest video, drag and drop, forest image, drag and drop. I select both layers and I'm gonna shorten the layers like this. I press shift, I make it snap here. I'm gonna put the playhead at 6 seconds and do the same on the other side. Shorten the layers, press shift and make it snap like this. Now we move from this to this. And finally, now the desert video, drag and drop. Desert image, drag and drop. I select both layers and I'm gonna shorten the layers like this. I press shift and make them snap here. I'm gonna create a text now. I go to type tool. I'll make one click here. I'm gonna type ocean. I select the word. I'm gonna change the font to Arial. Black, the thickest option. I'm gonna choose a size of 350. Space, I'm gonna choose 50. Space between the letters like this. Now selection tool and I'm gonna put it in the center. I'm gonna go to align horizontally, align vertically, make sure it's exactly in the center of the composition. Now I'm gonna shorten the text layer, press shift, I'm gonna make it snap. I want it to be 3 seconds long. And I'm gonna take it right here, just above the ocean image, text selected, Control D to duplicate. I'm gonna put this copy right here on top of the forest image. I'm gonna move it right here. I press shift to make it snap. I'm gonna make it fit exactly. I can zoom in if I want to, just to make sure. I zoom out and now I'm gonna replace this text. Type tool. I'm gonna write forest. Of course, make sure paragraph is set to center text. It's very important. Right now it's set to center text, as you see. Forest layer selected, the text layer selected. I'm gonna duplicate it one more time. Control D. I'm gonna take this text layer all the way to the top. I'm gonna put it right here. Press shift to snap like this. And I'm gonna replace the text with the type tool. I'm gonna write desert. Now we have this result: ocean, forest, and desert. Now the easy part, we are going to apply the alpha matte effect. Make sure you click on the toggle switches / modes to see the track matte. And now here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start with ocean. I click on the pick whip, ocean image. I click on the pick whip and take it to the text ocean and let go, and just like that we get this effect. This is exactly what we wanted. I move to forest. I'm gonna do the same thing. I select the image, pick whip, and take it to the text forest. I let go, we get this effect. Next, desert. I click on the image, pick whip, and I'm gonna take it to the text desert. I let go, and we get this effect. I'm gonna go back to forest. Here we have alpha matte. I'm gonna click on here, click to invert, just to invert, and now we get this result. We can either do that, or I can cancel the alpha matte effect. I click here, go to no matte, and instead I can put the video on top of the image forest, go to the pick whip of the forest video, take it here and let go, and now we get the same effect. I'm gonna play the entire video now. The exercise now is finished. You go do the same and don't forget to save.